Beautiful setup outside for the VariTyper 1010. Beautiful shape, right? Yeah. Just end over here, there is a one hole and then one holder. Same thing, this part. And then bottom, both sides, little bit like holder, something like that. So no screw, this one. So just I hold this side and then this side to open, okay? Like this. Yeah. I use just one hand like this, and then this part go into this hole, and then this part same thing, and then bottom line there is a small like this. I guess this one go into the this hole. See, so just lift up and then push this hole both sides. That's it. No screw. Maybe I don't know. The other one is it has a screw on it. Anyway, and then I want to turn on the power button on the here, the front on the here. Just push, then yeah, it just started. Very not loud, very small sound, right? Yeah, not big, loud, maybe. Yeah, so so it's a main motor, and then first I think power from here, and then the belt going to the second one, and then this one going to the this and this. That means this, I guess it's like what is it called, the ribbon, for ribbon, like this. Okay, and then to operate there are several things. For the paper foot, to paper foot, like what is it called, is paper release. This one like that, this side. This means we can this one hold the paper. If this button like this, that means paper release. See, so you know, to put the paper first like this, okay, then how can I put this one? Yeah, here. I think it will be okay. Let me see. Okay, then you push, and then after that you can this one hold like this, and then this one is like exactly the same. The Harmon, the VariType, the manual paper, the going to the this side. You can see the transparent this part, right, going down and then folding inside. So first you should paper going down, right? See, you can see the paper going down. See, I do that more and more. Okay, okay, so yeah, like this. So to going down for paper, we need to control this button. It should be like this side. If you do like move to like this, that means it's paper going up. When I move like this, paper going up. So this one like this, that means paper going down. Okay, yeah. And then this one is like a line space. So hold like this, and then we can move like this or this, and then yeah, then set up. So each time we can move like this, and then like this. So this is like margin, I mean the line space for index. Yeah, to set up the boundary, right? Yeah, like this. Okay, now it's a little bit more. Then we can get the paper. Yeah, ready to the paper, and then to print these two button. This is a non-print. This is a print option, and then this is this means hold like a pop-up to change the letter shuttle. So to type, it should be down like this. See, like this. Yeah, that's the very basic one. So if I like a typewriter, manual typewriter, we can move this one to the right side, to the left side, same thing. There is a carry release like this. If hold, it's automatically move because it's electric, right? Okay, like this, and then we can type like this. See? Yeah. So when you hit, I can the backside. I check the which one works when you hit any button, which one move. So this inside something doing, and then there is a horizontal variable. You can change like this or like this. Also this button, there is another, let's see, this button, it's for the justification option, on and off. It's like this. That means I want to use the justification, but like a push back to the I use it with just one hand. That means no justification. Okay, yeah. 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 This option, like this one over the this what is a holder, and then means no justification. The regular option. There are a lot of justification tools. So this one is a main ton of justification. This side, I want to use the justification function, but like this one, no, nothing at all. Like a standard option. And then also you can use the three different way. This one with the combination this, so little more the horizontal space, and then also this is for the justification, the margin setup or end of margin justification, something like that. So I need to study more about that, but basically like this, turn on and then motor running, then you can see the like this belt, no screw, just a hole both sides. Okay, and then maybe here this part go there, and then this both part go into here, both sides. Yeah, this is all for, I guess, for the justification, the end of the for the journal or newspaper, something like that. So after look at this, if you have any question, I make a following video. Okay. Yeah, beautiful day outside today.